Hello, today we will be unboxing a lovely watch, a classical watch and a dress watch. It's the Seiko Spirit SZSB012. We already unboxed the 013 with blue dial, but today we will be unboxing the one with black dial. We start with original packaging, user's instructions in Japanese, and the user's warranty card. This guarantee is valid only in Japan because this watch is targeted to the Japanese market. We come to the beautiful watch. By the way, the box is made of matte material. And here's the watch. No one can criticize it because it's just so perfect, so simple, so classic, thin, tiny, and beautiful. It has no luminosity in indicators. It has needles as clockwise. It has big date window to the right, 3 o'clock. It's so perfect. You can see the polished edges here. For the case, it's 316L stainless steel with 39mm of diameter and 12.8mm of thickness. The 39mm of diameter is without the crown, by the way. It can be charged in two ways, with screwing the crown and with the hand winding energy. For the crown, in first position you can adjust date, and in second position it's a stopwatch. The second is stopped to adjust hours and minutes. For the glass is a Hardlex Mineral glass. It's an automatic watch. We can see the polished edges, polished crown, polished everything. For the bracelet is polished too, with little brushed parts. I really love this piece because it's so simple and so classy. You can wear it with casual dresses and with daily clothes. For the movement, we have the 4R35 caliber. It's equipped with 23 joules bearing and 41-hour power reserve. You can see through the case back, and it's written in Japanese because it's a Japanese watch. You can see the heart moving here. I'm in love with this piece. You can see the tag here and the price. I sell it for almost half the price, almost. So if anyone is interested, it's available for selling. So it's our watch for today. Thank you everyone, and we'll catch you with the Save the Ocean one. Thank you everyone.